First we do this multiplication, 1 over 2 times 2, which equals 1, and 14 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first 14 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction, and times 2. Okay, 14 times 2 equals 28, and 28 times 2 is just 56. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 56.